This is section 4, number 8. Determine whether what other part must be congruent to prove that the triangles here are congruent by its theorem. So it says for A, it is side, angle, side. So let's just label it. We have a side, an angle, and we're missing a second side here. Same thing here, side, angle, side. So that the part that we're missing is angle T has to be congruent to angle W. So angle T has to be congruent to angle W to prove it is congruent by side, angle, side. For B, let's label it. We have side, angle, side. We have an angle and a side here. And it says angle, side, angle. So we need one more angle here. So we're missing angle B and angle F. So angle B has to be congruent to angle F. For us to prove this is congruent by angle, side, angle. C, angle, angle, side. So we have an angle here and an angle here, and we need one more side, which is this. Same thing here, which is angle, angle. All right, and we need one more side, which is this. Okay, so you could say line BA is congruent to line FE. Okay, or you could actually use this one as well. Okay, because that's still going to be angle, angle, side. Okay, so you could even say CA is congruent to line DE as well, because that would still get you angle, angle, side. All right, next we have side, side. We need one more side here. And this is going to be line DA is have to be congruent to this side, which is DC. Okay. This gets a side, 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 and that is how you prove that it is congruent. You need that third part.